silence is dangerous.
Be careful when I no longer get hurt by what you do or what you say.
Yo, ave kubhlungu ukukhuza umuntu oku defense system. Ngoba noma kuthiwa uzama ukumbonisa into right uyazidefenda lo muntu.
Sure. Still remember there's a lady that said, "Yazi lo muntu engithandana naye. Noma ngasalala ngekhaya ngisana ndaba."
Yo. And ngiyayazi le level whereby you just watch things in a relationship, they fall apart.
Sure.
Because you've tried.
It's highly impossible, man. Ukuthi indoda nomuntu esifazane babizana ngama-best. Indoda ezokubiza ngo-best, it's either inama hopes ukuthi one day izo upgrade ibe ubay. Yafakwa ku friend zone and usanethemba ukuthi one day uzokuthola.
Njobusho siyothi sixabana la ndlini.
Sure.
Mina njengendoda yakho sixabana.
Sure.
Singa understandani ngento ethize.
Sure.
Kanti somewhere njoba une male based uyakuyi uyok understanda kanti ukunderstandela ukulala nawe. Ngishilo ke abantu besifazana abanabo male based banalento yokungancengi ngoba uyazi ukuthi lapha ya kunomthombo la ngiphuza khona kunomthombo la ngiunderstandwa khona kanti hayi ukuthi uacta ngathi uyakunderstand azokwazi ukuthola lento ayifunayo mabunda vele ngiyakusupporta lapha
nisho nijwayele uthi every day manijabulile nibizana honey no sweet kutheni umbiza mase nicaba nombiza ngegama. It shouldn't be like that. Niphuthela abantu abaningi futhi uma bakwatile hayi babizana ngamagama nje uzibuza. But I'll be honest with you. If you call me by my name when you are angry, ungasangibizi ngosweetile.
Ifana lento ukuthi mabunda uthandana nomuntu akazi athi I miss you. Lokho kubuka ngothi I miss you. Ngwa obhalayo ekseni good morning yena ka respond back. No, I'm being for real mabunda.
There's nothing that is as painful as that. Trying to fix something that is already gone. That is cut umuntu abhale a whole paragraph to say it's your birthday. Bhale what excellent.
Yeah.
Kodwa wena when it's your birthday ubhalwa HBD. Akusendele umuntu nje i-abbreviation akathathi ne-effort to say happy birthday. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. This is a podcast where sikhuluma khona amaqiniso, but most importantly above all we build each other, we learn through the conversation that we are having here. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this particular podcast, and hopefully you will enjoy the conversation that we're going to be having today. As always, I'm not alone. I'm with Sbuda the Buddhas. Sbuda.
Mabunda mfowethu.
Right put.
Ngimnandi wena uGrand.
Ngimnandi put.
Yeah, nje ngishawa iBlue Monday ngikhathele. Yeah, but chop sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyasumuzi, and as always bafowethu siya real talker ziyabuya. As I said, hey, iBlue Monday engiphethe but ke I've showed up sengikhona.
Ngiyabonakala ukuthi ayinceke ikhathele. What a busy weekend. But over and above all, God is good mfethu.
All the time mfethu mabunda. Wena uGrand?
Mina ngiGrand but Grandi. Yeah, I'm not sure if you call it Blue Monday, but I'm okay. Nothing much.
Siyabo.
You know, but there's something that I wanted us today to talk about. Specifically, it's not something that we're gonna dwell on. Siyandlula nje,
sure.
But that is the starting point of the conversation that we're gonna be having today.
Yes, sir.
Hey, wabonakala ngathi uyazibuza yile.
No, I'm preparing my mind.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey.
You know, lento engifuna sikhuluma ngayo namhlanje budi. Indaba ye communication.
Sure.
And we're gonna dive in to say how important it is to communicate.
Sure.
Whether in a relationship, whether in a friendship, or whether in a general workplace. Because sometimes kunezinto abantu abanga understand ukuthi kubaleke kanjani ukucommunicate. not only communicator but also how you communicate. Ngoba kungenzeka buti ushe something uthola ukuthi lento oyishoyo ayikho wrong kodwa indlela oyisho ngayo ibeke ngakhona igcine iyenze ukuthi kube ne misunderstanding.
Sure.
Yeah.
Zocedile.
Okay. I can say systemini uthi ngicala nombuzo. Ngicala ngombuzo I guess. Then we move from there. It seems like the system. I'll start with the question as always saying.
Sure.
Have you ever been in a situation whereby you realized to say, I think people misunderstood what I was saying?
Sure.
You know what? Yes, I said what I said, but in reality, indlela abantu aba interprete lento bengiyisho it was wrong. It might be in a relationship whereby maybe umuntu uyapheka ke and then ufuna ucommunicate something but ba misinterpret lento zami we communicate or esontweni or friends. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you say I feel like you guys you misinterpreted me or maybe I started maybe there is a video that you did you were trying to communicate a certain point
a lot of
but
things.
Abantu bathatha lento basho lento wena ungayisho.
Yeah, I think I'm a victim of that.
Sure.
I've tried so many times kwa Facebook na kwa TikTok.
Sure.
Especially kwa TikTok abantu ba TikTok bangithuka especially women.
Yeah
ingcono ne family yalapha kwa Facebook.
Sure.
Whereby you try to communicate certain things.
Sure.
But abantu by misinterpret leyo nto.
Sure.
And I think nenye into okay, Leo, it's different because no, it's different. What do you mean it is different?
Sure.
Ihlukile ngendlela ukuthi angisho we are trying to ukufaka le content esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi to communicate how you communicate.
Sure.
Laba yabona ke it's because bafuna ngikhulume bafuna ukuzwa lento abafuna ukuyizwa. That's why it's different esikhuluma ngayo mangithiwa ngi-address abona.
No, but you can still address them because of at the end of the day it's part of communication to say bafethu as usbuda or as mabunda I once said this yabona and nina anilithandi leqiniso ngilikhulumayo yabona and nigcina nithatha ngama feelings because puti kunabantu puti the minute you tell them the truth they do not argue the truth that you are saying, they argue the person,
the manner or the person.
Ba argue like usho something instead ukuthi abantu ba debate lento oyishoyo bandlule kulento oyisho ba attack wena as a person instead ukuthi ba argue and ba make sure ukuthi the point we deal with the topic here, not the person. I ba address but
ukuthi lento oyikhuluma but I've once said especially if usothandweni nomuntu, let's say umuntu usephutheni and this person masephutheni and uyam-addressa lo muntu endoda lento le ayingiphathanga kahle andlule kulento ukuthi lento akayenzile wena uzama ukuze express ukuthi ayikuphathanga kahle atheke wena ukhuluma kanjani makukhuluma nami kanje, you understand? So ugcine manje ayisekho lento kulento ukuthi mfethu ungenze wrong, mfethu ungishayile, now sesihleli la kuleyo ukuthi indlela ongi-address ngakhona. do you understand this thing? So at some point but I won't lie to you, indlela umuntu az-expressa ngayo respect it, but naye lo oz-expressayo akabe na that thing in mind ukuthi as much as angonile kuseso umuntu wami because mabunda here's the truth, as I'm your friend, as I'm your brother, this is a friendship, this is a relationship, kwenza ngikumoshe, but indlela ozoresponda ngayo now you must have that thing in mind, this is my brother, asikahlukani nalomfo. Iphutha labantu kuma relationship or in any friendship umuntu akuyona when bexabana indlela am-attacker ngayo attacker kwanti sihlukene kanti asikahlukani, yingakho nomuntu noma kuthiwa mhlambe ukwenzeka yiba nendlela yokukhuluma ukuthi no kuseso umfowethu lo, kusesesithandwa sami leso, kuseso unkosikazi wami lo, kuseso umuntu engiphila naye lo, because at the end of the day mabunda amazwi owashayayo nowadedelayo angeke usawabuyisa back. Iyafana lento mabunda ukuthi uzodubula ilokhunja isihlahla usidubule ngoba ukwatile bese kusasa uyoxolisa esihlahleni uma ngabe suwumuntu naso then isihlahla ama scars nalama bullet angenile ungawakhipha ukwakhipha
Sure.
but the scars will always be there.
You know mawukhuluma so but I'm reminded that there are families today abangakhulumisana
Sure.
kunabantu perfect couple
Sure.
kodwa eyahlukana ngenxa ye communication. Uthola ukuthi ke I think it's very important to say whenever you address something,
Sure.
not only from the point of law or address wayo based on the nto but when as someone that is addressing something, address issues in a way yokuthi you would also love to be addressed. Angazi if it makes sense.
Yeah.
I normally advise people that are in relationship to say, if it happens that niyathandana whether you're in marriage, ene nijwayele ukuthi uma nijabulile
Sure.
nibizane ngohani ngosweet angazi if makes sense sure nijwayele ukuthi every time manijabulile nibizana hani no sweet kutheni umbiza mase nicaba nombiza ngegama. It shouldn't be like that. No wena sibu ungenaphi to say wena sibu simply because of ukwatile. Don't call me ngegama simply because of ukwatile. Noma ukwatile, let it be in your mind to say when yazi baby le you get what I'm saying because iphutha labantu abaningi phuthi uma bakwatile hayi babizana ngamagama ndoda usibuza phuthi mina I'll be honest with you, if you call me by my name when you are angry ungasangibizi ngosweet.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying it.
Sure.
To say, don't call me. If you call me using pet names when you are happy, then you should also call me with pet names when you are angry.
Hey but yeah.
Wafela mango yini manje. Akwabizwa ngegama. Hayi
wabona bhuti uthinte into like I've once been this ish iyahlekisa and we are shooting here ish but iyangihlekisa because it becomes too personal. Understand?
Okay.
Yabona bangathi this thing iya prophet.
No, let's change the
No, let's not change. Let's not change.
Shouldn't hit home then.
No, it should put. And I'm glad you cannot who. It's mezovela. I phumanga. It should. Put it.
Sure.
Here's the thing for you.
Sure.
The truth of the matter is,
sure,
irrespect, it's supposed to be irrespect noma sikwatelene noma singakwatelana.
Sure.
You understand? Iyafana lento nokuthi ube nomama nobaba abazali bakho lapho.
Sure.
As much as bekuzala,
sure,
kufanele babe ne respect for ingane yabo.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Even nendlela bamkhuza ngayo,
sure,
kufanele ukuthi bamkhuze ngekwendlela yokuhlonipha.
Sure.
Hayi ngendlela ukuthi agcina umuntu okhuzwa yahlukumezeka.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure. Sure.
Because here's the truth, Mabunda.
Sure.
Ungazama ukungikhuza
sure,
uma ngibhedile.
Sure.
Lento yenza i-right uyangibonisa,
sure,
but ngingagcina ngingayizwa lento ongitshela yona ngendlela oyikhulume ngayo.
Yo,
okusho ukuthi manje ngagcina sengihlala kulento ukuthi uyangi-attacker instead of ngawe uyangibonisa ungicorrecte kahle.
Sure.
You understand,
sure,
mabo?
Sure.
So into eshaya abantu abaningi ukuthi the manner oyilanda ngakhona buti uyawubona umlilo.
Sure.
You understand? Uyawubona umlilo uyaqala. Kufanele uthathe amanzi.
Sure.
Ubese uyacima.
Sure.
Kunabantu abeza ngamanzi kanti amanzi eparafini.
Sure.
Okusho the moment indlela umuntu addressa ngayo noma wrong kuyofana nokuthi uthatha upetrol noma uparafini wathela kwavutha kakhulu.
Sure.
You understand Mabunda?
Sure.
So I manner of approach and enye into Mabunda, I will be honest with you because angifuni kube ngazi ukuthi lento esikhuluma ngayo thatha inhlangothi eyodwa, but I want this conversation it hit both sides.
Yeah.
Okay. Nenye into Mabunda have kubhlungu.
Sure.
Ukukhuza narcissist. What do I mean by saying that?
Sure.
Have kubhlungu ukukhuza umuntu oku defense system. Ngoba noma kuthi uzama ukumbonisa into right uyazidefenda lo muntu.
Sure.
That is why buti kunama relationship namhlanje aphela.
Sure.
Hayi ngoba phela inkinga ama narcissist noma lo muntu beka ku relationship ne narcissist ukuthi every time akuba nenkinga and mabuntu ngizokahle have kubhlungu ukuthandana nomuntu noma ukwe ku friendship nomuntu ohleze na right angafuni ukucorrectwa kodwa wena ma wrong ya correct.
Sure.
Ibhlungu lento
ibhlungu lento ishoyo but ibhlungu, you know where the danger is.
Sure. Hey, where the danger is. Ngavele ngabona labo sisi.
Ungathi banga edeka la mo edit. No man,
sure,
but you know where the danger is about ukudila nomuntu oku defensive system.
Sure.
Ukuthi ugcina akwenze ukuthi ufe wena omoshiwe.
Yo.
Ugcine ungasa address izinto azenzayo. Angazi if it makes sense, because if the minute you communicate with someone ngento ayenzile ekulimazayo umtshele mfethu lento oyenzile futhi siswami lento oyilimazi oyenzile iyangilimaza and ingilimaza ngalendlela bese angafuni ukunderstand ama feelings wakho angene ku defensive mode. Guess what's going to happen? Bazoqhubeka because ngeke usaba address ngisho aqhubeke njalo enza the very same thing or another thing akulimaza asibuze ukuthi kungani ungacommunicate. How will I communicate? Because every time when I communicate you are in your defensive mode. Lento but ikuma relationship ikuma friendship kunabantu everywhere asibuze kunabantu namhlanje but abashona they committed suicide. As soon as umuntu commit suicide uzwa abantu bathini ngabe ukhulumile uzokhuluma kanjani where else if I talk.
Yo.
You enter into a defensive mode. There are people that walked away from relationship or babe phakathi ku relationship kodwa uyibona lo muntu lo u relationship efile because of at the end of the day it is you that is addressing the other one. It's defensive. Angazi if it makes sense. So as human beings we need to understand the importance bafethu to say in as much as someone comes and communicates, how I respond to the communication, it matters. Kwamele ngicabanga ukuthi okay, this is my brother and his feelings they matter. And number two, it's very very important to acknowledge, to say I think I caused indlela fila ngayo. And akosanga whenever there is an issue addresswayo mang, whether friendships, relationships, workplace whatsoever. Akosanga soyithusi phakama. There won't be any solution. Angeke ngithi wrong ukuthi I know wrong. There has to be that balance. We are talking about communication. And there has to be that balance ukuthi omunye uyehla anikeze omunye opportunity yokukhuluma. Omunye ungakhathi omunye asazi experience asazi explain man.
Yazi put mfethu hey mfethu this one it's so deep and esikhuluma ngayo.
Sure.
Ave kubhlungu but ukuthandana nomuntu noma ube ku friendship nomuntu noma usebenze nomuntu.
Sure.
Ocabanga ukuthi it's only one man show.
Yo.
Uku relationship naye uthandana naye.
Sure.
Yena nje ucabanga ukuthi ama feelings wakhe iwona that matters. Kodwa la omunye they don't matter.
Yo.
But into yobudlelwane is not about one man show.
Sure.
It's about ukuthi mfethu la sisobabili kulento.
Sure.
And this thing iyahamba, this
sure.
thing ikosisebenze, this thing kufanele iye somewhere.
Sure.
If but kuzoba ukuthi ucatshangelwa wena kuphela uyitshela ukuthi nguwe wedwa kule relationship.
Sure.
No, but if ucabanga kanjalo uthandana wedwa.
That's true.
No, that's the honest truth.
That's true.
Because at the end of the day we are couples, we are in this relationship, we are friends, and as we are friends,
sure.
It's not about you only.
Sure.
It's about us.
Sure.
Because one man show put vele ayikho right akuhlukane ke mangabe kunjalo, it's all about you none, because at the end of the day awukwazi ukuthi okay it's fine khona abasho but athi ngiyazithanda, I love myself. When needs to do.
Sure. Sure.
Because mawuthanda nomuntu you say I love you.
Sure.
Bese nathi I love you too.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi you can't say you love yourself.
Sure.
You love yourself by action, then we'll see that you love yourself.
Sure.
Don't come here and tell us you love yes.
Actions should prove that. you love yourself.
What no ngiyazithanda mina
Sure.
no. In relationships siyathandana mabunda.
Sure.
Into engisho now you must bring it back.
Sure.
Lento ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi nayi ke lento mabunda.
Sure.
When I say I love you and
Sure.
when you say I love you too.
Yeah.
It shows good it's not a one man thing. It's a corporate.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
a collaboration.
Sure.
So the thing is uma ngabe wena uzozivaluisha wena ube one man show ku relationship
Yeah.
okusho ukuthi wena wedwa kufanele mina ngithi I love you ifana lento ukuthi mabunda uthandana nomuntu akazi athi I miss you lokho kubuka ngothi I miss you nguwo obhalayo ekseni good morning yena aka respond back no I'm being for real mabunda ibhlungu le yeah kunomuntu njengamanje wagcina ukutshelwa indoda yakhe ukuthi uyamthanda the day amshela and akaphindanga amtshele. Yeah,
I understand. As I knew that you were about to drop some bombs the minute you said the thing is. And I knew the smooth English has just been activated.
You know, but the thing is, mfethu.
Yeah, the thing is, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Ngothenga impahla ku relationship.
Sure.
Nguwe ngama birthday
that means an effort.
Owenza ama effort.
Ngama
anniversary nguwe. But yena akenzi lutho.
Eish.
But have kubhlungu ukuthi ube umdlali. Bese uba nomdlali oba umbukeli kodwa egroundini kodwa uyadlala.
Sure.
What do I mean? There's a different mabunda between umuntu obukelayo nomuntu odlalayo.
Sure.
So have kubhlungu ukuthandana nomuntu ongumbukeli.
Sure.
Kodwa sibe ibhola silikhahlela soyi2. Uthandane nomuntu ofuna ukwenzela yonke into kodwa yena akakwenzeli. No, that's painful baba.
You know, it also goes to friendship.
Sure.
Do you know but kunabantu but ababhala ama letter angaka. Abona thatha isikhathi sakhe umuntu abhale a whole paragraph to say it's your birthday. Bhale what an excellent.
Yeah.
Kodwa wena when it's your birthday ubhalwa HBD. Akusendele umuntu nje i-abbreviation akathathi ne-effort to say happy birthday. Uvela HBD. That's it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday lo. I-abbreviation. Usibuze ke ukuthi the effort that you are making, why is it not certain silungu reprocreated or something like that?
Yeah.
The effort that engenza ngayo izinto, it should automatically tell the other person, this is my expectation. Even though you may not say it, but to say, this guy or this girl or this friend of mine, they took an effort to go and make a surprise birthday for me. Why then can't I think for him to say, and as much as they made something for me, I need to also do something for them on their day.
Sure.
We have friends put our poster 10 or 15 pictures. Umbono, these two people, they are friends. No birthday yalo. Mawudlula ku status. First pic, happy birthday mnganami. Happy birthday bestie. I love you bestie. Enjoy your day bestie. Sure. You get what I'm saying?
Sure.
10 pictures status.
10
mango. Ibuyeke ngebirthday yakho. C1. Happy birthday. Ngo2 o'clock mama sesidilithiwe.
As expired.
Azange sa expire akulinda nokuthi expire. Sesidilithiwe, we moved on. So meaning to say I prioritize your day more than you prioritize my day. In friendships and relationships, there are those small things, Bafetu, balulekile that people should talk about to say, no man, the energy man, it should be the same. It should be the same.
Yeah.
As we move on, put how important it is to address into when you are hurt.
Okay.
Ngoba puti kunabantu who do not address things. And they automatically expect someone futhi they address ngathi it's a heavyweight who do not communicate their feelings.
Yeah.
I think you once made a video or something with Bafeta sona inyanga thina.
Yeah,
you're not prophet, we're not prophets. How important it is but to say umuntu have you ever lost, let me start from here, have you ever lost a friend uthola ukuthi this guy out of the blue stopped communicating.
Sure.
Out of the blue they give you different vibes.
Hey, bro.
Usibuze ngenzeni
Ngenzeni
ngaka
ngaka?
simply because of maybe you did something or you said something unintentionally and you are not aware of how this thing that you did or said was affecting them.
Sure.
Then the next thing, I man, the energy, it's no longer the same. And then uyasibuza what happened. Kanti umuntu, they did not address, they did not sit down and communicate with you to say, hey Puti, or my friend, or babe, or whatsoever, this and this ayingiphathanga kahle. But ubone nge-energy kwangathi khona something wrong. Yeah.
Puti, mfethu kwangathi uyangiprofeta because as you two asingene la, it's something that I wanted to talk about actually.
Sure.
Puti ave kubhlungu uthi addressa umuntu.
Sure.
Okay. Asiyeke le gama lokhu address.
Ngwali heavy.
Yeah, heavy. Ave kubhlungu uthi ucommunicate kumuntu.
Sure.
Ngento engakuphathi kabi.
Sure.
Ayenzayo.
Sure.
Uyayizwisisa lento.
Sure.
Ukuphatha kabi lo muntu.
Sure.
And we are trying to communicate naye. Mfethu, sithando sami, mama, into esona kanje iyangilimaza.
Sure.
Ngicela ungayiphindi uyenze lento.
Sure.
Avume.
Sure. Excuse me.
Ekuvumeni kwakhe athi ngizolungisa.
Sure.
Uvume ngomlomo but izenzo zakhe zilwe nalento bokade address noma ucommunicate ngayo.
Sure.
But ibhlungu lento mfethu, that is why but mina I believe and ngiyayazi le level whereby you just watch things in a relationship, they fall apart.
Sure.
Because you've tried. But there's nothing so painful.
Sure.
Njokuthi ugcine manje usuba ijudge ku relationship.
Yo.
Uyazi manje le ehlala lapha ya eshaya isando lapha ya case dismiss amacala nanani and ungizwe kahle mabundo kwesinye isikhathi awubi ijudge ngoba ufuna ukuba ijudge ziningi izinto umuntu asuka kumosha kizo and you are trying to communicate lezo zinto ugcine sofika ku level ukuthi yazini akusanaqala elizothethwa mina into engizoyenza ngizoyithulela and watch things.
Sure.
You understand? Ngifuna ke ukuya kule konje question was saying.
My question was saying how important it is to communicate how you feel. You get what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because kunomuntu Puti olinyazwa ukuthi uyalimala but aka communicate to say debafu yangilimaza lento. So the importance of saying
okay.
Angisho siqalisa sathi communication. So I'm asking how important it is not to keep things to yourself.
Sure.
Angazi if it makes sense. Sure. Because of uma ngikulimaza mangu ene ungakhulumi ukuthi mabundo yangilimaza ngiloko yakulimaza iyaqwala lento ngaphakathi kuwe one day the day you passed ngisibuze ukuthi hawu ukunyathela inyawo basta kangaka kanti inkinga akusiki ukuthi ukunyathela inyawo. There are many other things that you've been doing that I have not been telling you about.
Yeah.
Ngoba kunabantu Puti abableedela ebantwini abarong uthola ukuthi ngilimazwa nguwe sibu but instead ukuthi ngitshele wena ukuthi uyangilimaza ngihambe ngotshela uJim. Angazi if it makes sense. And only to find out manje ugcina uphenduka ube umuntu omubi kuJim.
Ngikuzwa kahle.
Angazi if it makes sense. And manje do you know what the challenge is? By me telling uJimmy inkinga zami nawe ngicela ngenza uJimmy abe isitha sakho wena usibuze kungani uJimmy angangiunderstand kanti uJimmy akakunderstand ngenxa yeinkinga lezi
mina nawe
you get what I'm saying kanti uma nginenkinga nawe mango ngifike ngikutshele futhi 1 2 3 4 5 iyangilimaza.
Sure.
I'm saving a relationship onayo noJimmy and I'm also saving our relationship because of I'm able to voice out when you hurt me.
Sure. But as I said mfethu, nothing is painful ukuthi ngithi ngikhuluma nawe.
Sure.
Ngithi mfethu ngicommunicate ngento ongilimaza ngayo uthi yangilimaza lento ucede wena ungiattack.
Sure.
Iyona into result noma yenza ama result ukuthi omunye agcina ngasa communicate angasakhulumi ukuthi hey kuyafana mangikhuluma lento iyashintshwa then ngiattackwe mina. So I rather ngizithulele kunokuthi ngiattackwe because ungizwe kahle but into elimaza umuntu iba worse lento ngisalinyazwa ukuthi ungiphatha kabi ngiphinde ngilinyaza ukuthi ngizama ukucommunicate nawe
Sure.
ukuthi lento iyangilimaza ucede wena futhi ungi-attack so why two ama-pain
Sure.
i-result lento to a point ukuthi gcine manje sengiyazibuka izinto
Sure.
okay mina I believe but ukuthi less is the honest truth
Sure.
I believe ukuthi kunabantu okay le angiyeke yabantu it's better mabunda ngicommunicate
Sure.
nomuntu ngicommunicate ama feelings wami nomuntu onama intentions okukhipha this relationship
Sure.
because kuyingozi ukuthi uzo communicate your feelings kumuntu ongasekho kule relationship engiyo
Hey.
because yena but the thing is yena ubeka amabheke emnyango
uyaphuma so yonke lento isho ingena ngaphi iphuma ngaphi.
that is why ke mabunda uma ngabe mina ngizama ukucommunicate ngizama ukuthi let's fix this thing ikwazi ukuhamba but ngicommunicate kumuntu othi no ngisendleleni
Sure.
obvious yena ngeke ayilungise vele uyofaka upetrol ibhomi ibe inkulu kakhulu you understand
Okusho ukuthi ke it's very important to check umuntu ukuthi umephi
status
cause kungenzeka ke ukuthi irobot selishintshile le ku green yahanjwa la and when you are trying to fix something that is already gone there is nothing that is as painful as that trying to fix something that is already gone and this is why it's very important. I wanted to say something. Someone once said something. What you give me? You know, be careful when I no longer get hurt by what you do or what you say.
yo
Athi lo muntu lo the minute ungibona ngasana ndaba nokuthi uyenzani ngasana ndaba nokuthi uthini ngami understand because of ayikho i-level dangerous la khona lo muntu othandana naye or ifamily yakho or anyone man angasana ndaba nokuthi wenzani because of him you should be worried uma umntwana omncane uyenza into
umama
angathethi it's a sign to say you see now people have now given maybe you're in a relationship be careful once your partner no longer cares I repeat be careful including parents do you know nabazali but bakhona ukusiduba azathi yazini ngizakweka wenze lento oyithandayo and believe me that is the highest level of pain because once you are being let go of you may not see the pain yakhona lento mayisenzeka but with time you will feel that space you will feel that gap to say kutheni ngingasakhuza kutheni ngingasana ndaba ema I still remember there's a lady that said yazi lo muntu engithandana naye noma ngasalala ngekhaya ngisana ndaba
yo
it shows that the pain it's extremely entered that particular person. So it matters check to say what if the reason I'm trying to people like check now ukuthi ngiyenzeni kahle kahle lo muntu angasa communicate.
Yo,
are we still on time sir?
Hey budde wakhuluma enye into ndoda.
5 more minutes.
You know budde mfethu. Silence is dangerous.
Repeat that sir.
Silence is dangerous budde. Because umuntu akaqala ekubena be silence.
Sure.
Okusho ukuthi bekunama efforts.
Sure.
Beka wenza. Bekunama abilities.
Sure.
Beka wenza.
Sure.
But angazathule.
Hey.
Uya communicate ukuthi sengikhathele.
Yo.
Yabona but umathu uNkulunkulu engibathandayo ngiyabayala. As but uthinte something mfethu I usually tell ladies.
Sure.
Athi uzibanibani uyangicontrola uyangikhulumela mangiphumile nani.
Sure.
Ngithi usese safe when indoda isakhuluma.
Yo.
But you are very usengcupheni nasizulu usendaweni ewelayo useweni when a man becomes silent.
Oh,
because but the truth is akunandoda ezothula ibona umfazi wakhe emthandayo ahambe ngeyigcebhe ngezinto ezibonisa amathanga emfishane izibabona amanye amadoda akunandoda ezothula
yo
but akunandoda ezothula ibona umkakhe abuya late emaklabini angalali nasekhaya ayikho indoda ezokwenza njalo
sure
once indoda yathula umuntu wesifazane wenza lento oyenzayo you are in danger because but mina will tell you we are protective by nature.
That's true.
We fight for what we love by nature.
So the minute we stop fighting, the love is gone.
Kufana nabantu besifazane.
Sure.
The day umuntu wesifazane ayithulela akubuka wenza izinto ezumuntu wesilisa uzenzela yet lento mabundi boyenza lento ekhuluma
sure.
Wangasayenza so yayenza manje uyathula ivale mfana
akingibe for women be careful the day ubona umuntu wesifazane aba akuyeka uba around women that act in a particular way athula kubheka angasaba address nokuba address
prophet
because iyafika lelo zinga women but some I sometimes feel maybe not women are jealous by nature and one thing about women they are good in smelling trouble from far. Once umuntu wesifazane asola umuntu asola a certain women around you should be concerned.
Take it serious.
Because 60% or 80% of the time they are correct about the intentions of that person. Bayazana bona. So inkinga yethu puti sinokucabanga just like Tina Skamajit. I remember I was addressing someone as like to that person. In fact, Mina, I don't think and I do not believe that it's possible for men and a woman to be best friends. Highly impossible. Ngizayiphinda nalana ngizwe kahle
ngathi ngaba ne-episode for that
but ngicela ukuyiphinda le it's highly impossible man ukuthi indoda nomuntu esifazane babizana ngama best indoda and into yenzakalayo indoda ezokubiza ngo best it's either inama hopes ukuthi one day izo upgrade ibe ubay yafakwa ku friend zone and usanethemba ukuthi one day uzokuthola emang ukuba ubest once women I'm warning you mang the minute umjida abheka umuntu wesifazane athi best ulindi thuba
inhlanzi ishelwe ngamanzi
ngiyabonga because I was about to say something heavy
isho
bra I'll say it in this way the guy is waiting for an opportunity to chow kodwa he's now into an understanding character not because of anything he's waiting for an opportunity ingakho wena the day uloku uyacabana nomuntu wakho wena uthi uyakunderstanda
hayibo
wena ucabanga ukuthi indoda yakho your whole man can fail to then another man understand wena uthi uyangunderstand usman man you will pay for that understanding. Understanding is expensive.
You will pay. Put excessive. I want to add on top of that. But women are emotional beings.
Sure.
Umuntu wesifazane. That's why abantu abakhalela isikhathi kakhulu ngabantu besifazane.
Sure.
Akangenzela isikhathi, akenze in. Akuphelele ukuthi akamenzela isikhathi udinga amabandawonye
sure
akhulume lo wesifazane emotional umsupport ubhodle nanani ngifuna ukusupporta lento ishow yama best
sure
wena umuntu wesifazane athi ngine best ngine male best umbuzo wami uma a male based ane male based wena ndoda uyini
yo
you are a female based
yo
because I believe mina but ukuthi umuthandana nomuntu kufuna abe i best friend yakho
sure
abe yonke into yakho
sure
because the thing is njobusho siyothi sixabana la ndlini
sure
mina njengendoda yakho sixabana
sure
singa understandani ngento ethize
Sure.
kanti somewhere njoba une male based uyakuyi uyok understanda kanti ukunderstandela ukulala nawe ngishilo ke ya ngishilo ke mina
Ayibe.
u understandela ukulala ngoba mabunda njengoba ungizwe kahle when you've got two options
Sure.
because kunomehlo between umuntu onama options nomuntu ongana option
Sure.
umuntu ongana one option
Sure.
noma kuthiwa uyambhedela la ndlini uyakushiya aye ku option
Sure.
kodwa umuntu ongana option noma kuthiwa kuyabheda la ndlini
Uyahlala.
uyahlala you understand so abantu besifazana abanabo male based banalento yokungancengi ngoba uyazi ukuthi lapha ya kunomthombo la ngiphuza khona kunomthombo la ngiunderstandwa khona kanti hayi ukuthi uactor ngathi uyakunderstand azokwazi ukuthola lento ayifunayo mabunda vele ngiyakusupporta lapha
We mama do you know ukuthi iqiniso
lithi
kunabantu besifazane kumanje athi mina nomtho solo kusaba abangani 2018 kutheni manje azongitshela ukuthi uyangithanda vele women that guy that best friend nyana yakho that best nyana yakho ama intentions wakhe ayabet awekho right mina ngizontshela nginci kaNkulunkulu women there is no such a thing as a best friend ungcono but umuntu ozi understand ukuthi ngubhuti wakho bestie
and mabunda let me just do an experiment as we
close.
as we vamos
sure
siswami angisho normal based wena
sure
normal based ubunendoda ngicela simteste manje umel based
sure
ngicela umfonele uthi ngiza nama condom lapha endlini ungilimazile lo wakwami ngicela ulungise ngiyeza angifuni isikhulume mina nawe ngifuna senze lokhu kwabantu abadala because la ngikhona ngilimele sizoxoxa after I'm coming bese uyamuza uzothina asho nemel based hayi ubona usisi kumina ubona in yenza le experiment le indoda yakho mayilwa no male based yingoba uyawazi ama intentions abantu besilisa mabunda we are hunters we know amanye ama hunter
and in hunting you become patient kunezinye inyamazana ebuthi angaze ngabona ihunter igijima mayiseyibonile inyamazana but the minute uhunter mang uyanyonyoba uyinyathela ngesineke man ngoba awufuni inyamazana ibaleke so lo mfo wakho lo othi mawubroke ukuthumela imali you will pay one day
uzawukhokha and mabunda singabi ihlangothi elilodwa nani machita enabo female based ubunomfazi female based
hayibo
bengicela niyenze le experiment konke ngifuna uyibona
ingakho umuntu wakho akazwani nale female based kuyazi nizawukhohliswa nini bafethu Real Talk with Amadoda Nakazi Somozi. Ningakhohlwa bafethu, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. To those that wish to sponsor this particular podcast in any way, you are more than welcome to do so. Otherwise, we love you so much. Have a blessed night.
Amen.